So first one is which is very old, which is monolithic architecture. Let's understand what it is. Okay, let's understand. Picture a house with all rooms, kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom, built as one cohesive unit. We have already covered what is cohesiveness, right? With one cohesive unit. Basically, cohesive is within a module, how elements are relying on each other, how they are only with one module within a module, how elements are working with each other. That is cohesiveness, and we need high cohesiveness. There are no separate entrances or sections. Everything is interconnected, right? Single structure, right? Now when the builders construct the house, they put up walls, install plumbing, set up electrical systems at once, and it is straightforward project because everything is part of one plan. So it is easy to build initially, right? Now if the homeowner decides that they want to add a new room or change the layout, it can be a big hassle, big task. They might have to tear down walls, reroute plumbing, redo electrical work. This requires a lot of time, effort, expense. It means hard to modify, right? Easy to build initially, but hard to modify. Just to remind, we are discussing monolithic architecture right now. All utilities, water, heating and electricity are part of the same system. If there is any problem, if there is a problem with the plumbing, it can affect the whole house, just like a bug in a software component can impact the entire application. Now what we learned? Simple to start. Building a single structure is often easier, faster than constructing multiple separate buildings, right? The challenge with the change. Simple to start, but with challenges with the change. As the homeowner's needs grow, like adding a family member, making changes can be complicated and disruptive. Now let's come to the definition of monolithic architecture. But we understood, right? Monolithic architecture is a traditional software design pattern where a single unified application is built as a single indivisible unit. This means that all the components of the application, including the user interface, business logic and the data access layer, are packaged together and run as a single executable or deployment unit. They are tightly coupled with each other. That is the whole takeaway here from here. Now let's understand the key characteristics of monolithic architecture. Single code base. All features and functions are developed and maintained in one code base, which simplifies development but can lead to complexity as the application grows. Tight coupling. We already know what is coupling. Coupling is for different modules of the application is if they are relying on each other, they have dependency. That is called tight coupling. And we don't need tight coupling. The recommendation is to have loose coupling. So with the monolithic architecture, we have tight coupling. Components within a monolithic application are often tightly integrated, making them dependent on each other. Changes to one part of the system may require redeploying the entire application. Shared resources. All parts of the application share the same resources, such as database and server infrastructure, which can simplify resource management but may lead to bottlenecks. Simplicity. For smaller applications, a monolithic architecture can be easier to design, develop and deploy, allowing teams to focus on building features without the overhead of managing multiple services. Now let's see the advantages of monolithic architecture. It is not like that it is always not good to use the monolithic architecture. There are use cases where the monolithic architecture is in favor. Let's see. So the advantages are easier development and testing. With everything in one place, developers can work on the same code base, making it simpler to test and debug. Simplicity in deployment. The entire application can be deployed as a single unit, which simplifies the deployment process. Performance. Monolithic applications can offer better performance due to the direct communication between components without the overhead of inter-service communication. Lower initial overhead. For small teams and projects, A monolithic architecture requires less setup and fewer resources compared to microservices or distributed architecture. Now let's understand the disadvantages of monolithic architecture. So we already have that in our mind. What can be the issues with the monolithic architecture? First is scalability challenge. Scaling a monolithic application can be difficult. If one part of application needs more resources, the entire application must be scaled, leading to an inefficient resource usage. We have already seen in the example of building house, right? Inflexibility. As the application grows, it can become more challenging to manage and make changes. A small change can require significant testing and deployment effort, because we are talking about there is just one code, one unit, and even if we are changing one small area of that code, we need to test the whole application, because there might be an impact on the other areas too. Risk of technical debt. Over time, adding features and making changes can lead to a tangled code base, increasing the likelihood of bugs and making the system harder to maintain. Right? We are changing the same code base again and again. Deployment bottlenecks. Deploying a monolithic application can become cumbersome, especially if it contains multiple features. Any change, no matter how small it is, necessitates a full deployment. So for example, there are because we are talking about just one single deployment for the whole project. If there is a small change, then also we need to deploy the whole package. Whole project will be deployed again. So of course the deployment will take time, right? Even if it is a small change. Now let's understand the use cases, various use cases for monolithic architecture where it can be utilized. So monolithic architecture is suitable for small to medium sized applications where simplicity and rapid developments are priorities. Startups where quick iterations and minimal resources are essential. Less complex domains. Applications that do not require extensive scaling or complex interactions. So let's see the summary. While monolithic architecture has its advantages, particularly for smaller projects or teams, it may pose significant challenge as applications grow and evolve. That is one challenge for sure. Understanding its strengths and limitations is crucial for making informed architectural decisions, especially when considering future scalability and maintainability.